I sort of feel that, written journalism or writing in journalism, whether be it sports, political, or any field of journalism, I think it's gone down considerably, and it's revolved more to do with sports. Even if you see Crick Info, which is probably the biggest cricket website, even in the last 6 7 years, they have focused more on doing the videos. Why do you think that has come in? Do you think it's because the attention span of the generation and people has come down, or do you just think that videos are much more appealing and easier to consume?
I think you have a point there, Gurkirat. I think the reading span, right? People are in a tearing hurry, and they probably a video appeals to them more. They feel more close and attached to Gurkirat if he's there sitting and interacting on a Zoom platform than getting to read about Gurkirat in a newspaper, because doesn't tell me how he speaks, how he reacts, how he moves, but video does it in the case of for sportsman. And there you don't need an effort. You can be you even if you are not able to read, at least you can see and you can understand, so that brings you closer. It's a very different section where you have people who may not be reading newspapers, but they watch the video and they watch television interviews. But it is very sad. My only complaint is with today's newspapers is that the domestic sport has vanished
True.
from from the newspapers, and local sport though has completely vanished. I mean, it's a matter of great pride, I should say, that the Hindu continues to give importance to local sport in Delhi, and there's Deccan Herald newspaper in the south in Bangalore, which gives due importance to local sport. There is New Indian Express in Chennai. They also give due importance to local sport, mind you, and domestic sport, national level, which is featured. And in Kerala, the Malayalam newspapers are exceptionally good because they cover school sport. They give importance to sport happening in schools. So that is their contribution to their service to sport, actually. If you write about a school child that doing well in a school competition, so these are the things which are missing in today's newspaper. And I feel sad when I see no mention of domestic sports in on the sports pages. There is more about the player than about the game. I hope you understand. It's they're writing more about Gurkirat because he plays hockey, but there is very little about hockey. So that is the difference I see.
You make two very good points. One is the service to the sport itself. We have always, I think in the last 10 15 years, I have heard this a lot, that people keep talking about there isn't a sporting culture in India. And when people sit down to analyze it, they will come down to the administration not doing enough, which is in a way true. But what you may say is a very good point, because when you promote a local level talent in a newspaper, you are sort of encouraging those people to come and play and make a name for themselves. So that is probably as important as if not more, then probably as important as the administration doing enough. And in fact, if they do sort of make it a point or a habit to cover the local sport, maybe who knows that they'll be able to point out the loopholes as well. So you make an excellent point that this is something that all newspapers should look to be doing. The other, which you said, that they talk about the sports person more than the sport, I think it's now becoming a very regular practice, where it's not even just about the sports person. It's coming to the point where the sports person's family and other personal stuff is sometimes given too much importance than what it should be. The focus on the game is probably not as much. What do you think?
Yeah, you're right. And see, for me, I'll tell you, I still have clippings of matches when I played and did well. My name was featured in the newspapers. I have some headlines also of my performance. So how much it would mean for, say, a school student who would have done well for his school, scored maybe 2 goals to help his school team win an inter-school football or a hockey tournament, and next day he doesn't find any mention. So that is disheartening. You're playing a big tournament, there is a tournament, and you find next day there is no mention of your performance. So it is natural for me to have a poor opinion of the sports pages, and that is what is happening. Domestic players, they don't get features. There is so much of, all this Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma and Bumrah. Fair enough. I mean, they should find mention. But what about the local players? What about the domestic players? I mean, why can't they be featured? Why can't they be written about? So there, I think newspapers are being very unfair, and the argument is, कौन पढ़ता है उनको उनके बारे में? अरे, how do you know it is not? कौन पढ़ता है means what? If an individual has done well, you never know what that one moment of his name appearing in the newspaper can make to his life, to his career. Right. So I don't agree with this. We have a duty to perform. I think as newspapers, you can always fix a corner. You can say, okay, domestic sport will be featured in this corner, and then you have your write-ups. You have so much of foreign sport you write. You don't have to carry those huge reports because they are all available on the internet. It is the domestic sport which is not available on internet. That is what you have to highlight.
Very good point, sir.